Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Ready to test your multiplication skills? What is 5 multiply 2? The answer is 10. What is 3 multiply 4? The answer is 12. What is 2 multiply 6? The answer is 12. What is 7 multiply 3? The answer is 21. What is 8 multiply 2? The answer is 16. What is 4 multiply 5? The answer is 20. What is 6 multiply 6? The answer is 36. What is 9 multiply 3? The answer is 27. What is 2 multiply 9? The answer is 18. What is 7 multiply 4? The answer is 28. What is 3 multiply 8? The answer is 24. What is 6 multiply 5? The answer is 30. What is 4 multiply 7? The answer is 28. What is 8 multiply 8? The answer is 64. What is 9 multiply 2? The answer is 18. What is 3 multiply 7? The answer is 21. What is 2 multiply 4? The answer is 8. What is 5 multiply 9? The answer is 45. What is 7 multiply 6? The answer is 42. What is 6 multiply 8? The answer is 48. What is 4 multiply 9? The answer is 36. What is 3 multiply 6? The answer is 18. What is 9 multiply 5? The answer is 45. What is 2 multiply 7? The answer is 14. What is 8 multiply 6? The answer is 48. What is 5 multiply 4? The answer is 20. What is 7 multiply 2? The answer is 14. What is 6 multiply 9? The answer is 54. What is 8 multiply 7? The answer is 56. What is 9 multiply 4? The answer is 36. What is 2 multiply 8? The answer is 16. What is 5 multiply 6? The answer is 30. What is 7 multiply 5? The answer is 35. What is 3 multiply 9? The answer is 27. What is 8 multiply 4? The answer is 32. What is 6 multiply 7? The answer is 42. What is 4 multiply 8? The answer is 32. What is 9 multiply 6? The answer is 54. What is 7 multiply 7? The answer is 49. What is 2 multiply 5? The answer is 10. What is 5 multiply 8? The answer is 40. What is 3 multiply 5? The answer is 15. What is 8 multiply 9? The answer is 72. What is 4 multiply 6? The answer is 24. What is 9 multiply 7? The answer is 63. What is 6 multiply 3? The answer is 18. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.